to the Super Bowl.
You're not video cameraing me, are you? It's over. Game's over.
I'm not video cameraing you. I'm waiting for something to happen to video camera you.
No, it's over.
Set up that rematch with New England.
Take a picture of the ground. It's done, man. Once he hits the field goal.
Waiting for that timeout from the sideline. 26-yard drive. Penalty flag before the snap. A delay of game.
Delay of game offense. 5-yard penalty. It's third down.
Coughlin can't believe it. Eli Manning came in and was trying to tell his head coach that the play clock was expiring. And Tom Coughlin, he's got the headset on, so he doesn't hear Eli Manning right away. And by the time he realizes what Eli is saying to him, it was too late. Pundit missed earlier for Baltimore from 32. At New England, this from 31. And now timeout is taken by San Francisco. Lawrence Hines has been in this position before. Last time, and frozen over Lambeau Field. The 47-yarder to win it.
On my chest, man.
Now from 31 yards out.
Huh?
Trying to send the Giants to Super Bowl 46.
Netflix with you? Come on, if there's going to be a miracle right now, make it happen.
Low snap.
Shit.
The kick is good. And the Giants
Tommy, Niners lost. Tommy, Niners lost. I'm not worried about this, man. I love you. I love you. Okay, I don't know what to do. I can't. I have my glasses on. Fix it. There, not there. It's not watched. Now put it back on Netflix. I'm like, God!
To win it for the Giants.
It's over. It's over. It's over.
And take on New England. And what an unbelievable first season it was as head coach of the 49ers for Jim Harbaugh and this San Francisco team. But the Giants are moving on to Indianapolis. We go down to Pam Oliver.
It went off your foot and you took off running in this direction. You knew instantly. Just tell me.